بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين وعلمنا Alright, so these are the present tense sheets. Okay, this is only for present tense, right? Because we've already done past tense, so we didn't have a chart for past tense, right? But we will have one for present tense for the first few times that we do it, and inshallah, what you can do is I can send this out to people too, so they can print it and practice writing it, so that they can get good with the present tense. But we'll do it today, right now, just so that we can revise the present tense. Okay? But before the present tense always comes the past tense, right? Which is what we originally did. So I gave the example of daraba in the email. Who wants to conjugate daraba for past? Daraba in the past tense. So daraba means what? He hit or he struck. Okay, Sister Tahir, do you want to do it? Go ahead.
Past tense, right?
Yes.
Daraba, daraba, darabu, darabat, darabata, darabna, darabta, darabtuma, darabtum, darabti, darabtuma, darabtunna, darabtu, darabna.
Excellent. What is hiya?
Darabat.
Darabat. And ana?
Darabtu.
Darabtu. And nahnu?
Darabna.
Darabna. Hum?
Darabu.
Darabu. Okay. How about Sister Shireen? Do you want to do qaruba? What's qaruba?
Near.
He approached, or he came near. Go ahead.
Qaruba, qaruba, qarubu, qarubat,
Qarubat.
qarubata, qarubna,
Qarubna.
qarubta, qarubtuma, qarubtum, qarubti, qarubtuma, qarubtunna, qarubtu, qarubna.
Qarubna. MashaAllah. Anta?
No, anta,
Anta. You.
qarubata,
Qarubta.
qarubta,
Anti?
qarubti,
Qarubti. Antum?
qarubu, no,
Antum. You all.
oh, qarubtum,
Qarubtum. Right? And ana?
Karubna.
Qarubtu. And huwa?
qaruba.
Qaruba. Right? How about Brother Sarfraz? You're going away, so how about you practice? Taraka means what?
To leave.
Yeah, to leave or he left. Past tense.
Tarak. Taraka, taraka, taraku, tarakut,
Tarakat.
tarakat, tarakut, tarakat, tarakti,
What's that? Tarakat is she left. Tarakat huma is. So just put an alif in after tarakat.
tarakata,
Tarakata.
tarakata,
And hunna.
tarak,
Tarak.
na,
Tarakna. Right? Tarak with a noon. Tarakna. Okay.
tarakta, taraktuma, taraktum, tarakti, taraktuma, taraktunna, tarakna,
What's ana?
taraktu,
Taraktu. And then nahnu.
taraktuna,
Tarakna.
tarakna,
Noon alif. Right? What about huwa? He left. It's a simple one. Taraka.
tarak,
Taraka. And hiya is
taraki, tarakti,
tarakat.
tarakat.
Okay. Brother Anwar, how about you? How about hadara? He was present or he attended.
Hadara.
Mhm.
Okay, Hadara,
Mhm.
hadara, hadaru,
hadaru,
hadarat, hadarat,
hadarata,
hadarata, hadarana,
hadarna,
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 hadartum, tuma,
hadartuma.
hadartuma, hadartum,
Yep.
hadarti,
Mhm.
hadartuma, hadartunna, hadartu,
Hadartu,
hadarna.
hadarna. MashaAllah. What's I was present or I attended?
Hadartu,
Hadartu. Okay, and she attended?
hadarti. No, she attended.
Mhm.
She hadarta.
Hadarat.
Hadarat,
That was
yeah.
a sukun,
Yeah,
right?
hadar.
Hadarat. And we attended?
Hadarna.
Hadarna. MashaAllah. Hadar Najmu. How about Raja'a? He came back.
Raja, Raja, Rajau, Rajat, Rajata, Rajana,
Raja'na.
Raja, Raja,
Anta.
Rajata,
Raja'ta.
Rajatuma, Rajatum, Rajati, Rajatunna,
Raja'tuma.
Rajatuma, Rajatum,
Tunna.
Tunna, Rajatunna, Rajan,
Ana.
Rajatu,
Raja'tuna.
Rajana,
Raja'na. Was they all returned, a group of men?
Rajatu, Raja,
Huwa, huma, hum. It's the third one.
Rajatum.
No. Raja'tum is way down. It's
Oh.
like number 10.
What is that? Rajatu.
Raja'u.
Rajau.
Raja'u is they returned. What's he returned?
He returned Raja.
Raja'a. And you returned male, Anta?
Rajata.
Raja'ta. And you all returned a group of men?
Rajatum.
Raja'. Okay, so if I'm talking to them, it's raja'tum. If I'm talking about them, they returned it. Raja'u.
Rajau.
So that only comes in when you're saying the second person. In Urdu, we always say tu. All right, so that was past tense. All right, let's we'll write out the present tense, and you can get practice saying it and writing it. Okay. So I grade out the non-usable portions, right? So there's only going to be one conjugation for each line. So it can either be mabni, or noon comes and noon goes, or five in your pocket. Okay. Let's do a verb, sami'a. Did we already do sami'a?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Did we ever write it? No. Okay. So sami'a means he heard or he listened. Okay. So what bab is it in? What column is it in?
See, I think it's 3. It is IA.
It is a column under IA. It's called Bab
Yeah.
Sami'a, right? So this is the example. So all of the ones that are in Bab Sami'a, what happens when you go to present tense?
Yes.
First.
Yes, Ma'u.
Yes, ma'u. So what changes on the second group?
Second will
That's a fatha,
Fatha.
right? It goes from a mi to a ma. Sami'a, yes, ma'u. And what always happens to the first root? It gets a
Sukun.
right? Alright, so sami'a yasma'u, yasma'u is he is listening, or he will listen, or he listens, right? Any of those three. So the first column is the easiest, right? And that's called 5 in your pocket. Why is it called 5 in your pocket?
Because there are 5 and
There's 5 of them,
and
right?
it's easy to remember.
And they're easy to remember because they only change what?
The first.
The first letter only changes, right? So, yasma'u is the first one. And this is for what?
Huwa.
Huwa, right? So if you want to say he listens, it's yasma'u. Okay? So we're going to skip a few down, and we're going to get to hiya.
Hiya.
What's for hiya?
Tasma'u.
Tasma'u. So you should be writing this on your sheet. Okay? So we're going down the first column. Tasma'u. Okay? And then we're going to go a little bit more and get to anta. Anta is for you male, right? You're not talking about a female. And what is it? Tasma'u. So tasma'u stays the same for hiya and anta. Tasma'u. So when you're reading this, you can either assume that it's talking about a woman, a girl or someone, or talking to you, a male. Right? So they're completely different, but they have the same conjugation. Alright, then we're going to go all the way down to ana. And what does ana get? Asma'u. So all you do is change the ya to an alif. Asma'u. And then for nahnu it's nasma'u. So yasma'u, tasma'u, tasma'u, asma'u, nasma'u. And it's easy because they're also they're probably 5 of the most common conjugations, right? You have he, she, you male, I, and we. Okay? So those are the easy ones. Alright, so now we're going to get to the second column, which is noon comes and noon goes. Why is it called noon comes and goes?
Because we add noon.
So they all have noon, right? They're all going to have noon. And the comes and goes part, we're going to learn later. Because verbs, they're also going to, the present tense verbs can also decline. Meaning they can also change based on where they are in a sentence or what precedes them, things like that. Okay? So the first one is after huwa. Huwa is yasma'u. What's huma?
Yasma'ani.
Yasma'ani. Excellent. I'm going to start asking other people because I don't want to just hear one person. Yasma'ani. Okay? So this noon has a kasra. Just keep that in mind. Yasma'ani. Yasma'ani. Okay, so this is huma. Okay? Sister Shreen, what's hum?
Yes. Yasma'una.
Yasma'una. Okay? Hum is yasma'una. And here notice that the noon has a fatha. It's just pronunciation. But note that down, okay? Huma yasma'ani. Hum yasma'una. Okay? And then, what's hiya? You already said it? Tasma'u. Right? Tasma'u. After hiya is huma again. Brother Sarfraz, what's going to be huma? 2 females. Alright, I'll give you a hint. What was huwa?
يسمع.
Okay, and then huma?
يسمعان.
Okay, so if hiya is tasma'u, what would huma be?
يسمعون.
Tasma'un.
تسمعون.
Tasma'ani.
تسمعان.
We're talking about
Okay.
2, so the alif noon is going to come
Tasma'ani.
back. Tasma'ani. Tasma'ani. Okay. It looks complicated, but it sort of has a rhythm and pattern to it, inshallah we'll learn. Alright? And then for hunna, we have to go all the way to the third column, which is called what? Mabni means what?
Mabni means does not
Noon
change.
It does not change. Mabni means doesn't change, okay? Yeah, we'll learn why that is, okay? So, something is going to change in the three roots for hunna. What? How are you going to say for hunna? How about Brother Najmul?
Yes, money.
Go.
Yes.
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 Ma'ani.
Ulini.
Instead of ni, it's na. Okay, yasma'na.
Yes, ma'ana.
Yasma'na. Yasma'na. So what changes on the third root? It gets a sukoon, right? Whereas on the other ones it had a fatha, dhamma, fatha. This one gets a sukoon. Okay? And while we're in this third column, we only have one more to do. So what else can we conjugate in the mabni column? Antunna, right? So antunna is gonna be what? Sister Dharma? It's similar. Tasma'na. All you have to do is change the ya to a ta. Tasma'na. Okay, we'll come back to this anyway. I was just doing this to show you how they're similar. Right? They both get the sukoon in the third root. So hunna is yasma'na, antunna is tasma'na. Okay. Alright, back to hunna. We said yasma'na.
Yes, ma'ana.
Okay. Anta tasma'u. Tasma'u. Okay. What is two of you going to be? Antuma? Tasma'ani. Tasma, and we're going to do this in the noon comes column, right? Because we have a noon here. Tasma'ani. Tasma'ani. Okay. Sister Shireen, what's antum? Mm-hmm. Only uruna. Tasma. Tasma'una. Okay. So just remember, hum yasma'una, antum tasma'un. So I'm just trying to point out the similarities, right? Let me actually, if you have like a highlighter, you can point these out. So we said hunna and antunna is similar, right? Yasma'na, tasma'na. And then we just said hum yasma'una and antum tasma'una. They only change by one letter. Right? And also huma and antuma, right? Huma is yasma'ani. And what's antuma? Tasma'ani. So just keep these in mind. Also, yeah, I guess you can say huma. Alright, so we only have two more left. Then we're done. Alright, what's after antum? Anti. Brother Anwar, what's for anti?
Anti should be tasma'ani.
No.
Tasmani.
Tasma'ini. So we're going to go off of tasma'una and we're going to change the waw to a yeah. Tasma'ina.
Tasma'ina.
Tasma'ina. So always remember, anti comes after antum. Antum is tasma'una. And all you're going to do is change it to tasma'ina. She is, or you, female, listen. Okay? Alright. Antuma, two of you females. Brother Najmul.
Tasmani.
Tasma'ani. There you go. Tasma'ani has come how many times now? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Tasma'ani. So antuma is tasma'ani. And then we already did antunna, right? Tasma'na. Ana is أسمع نحن يسمع
يسمع
يسمعان
يسمعان
يسمعون
يسمعون
هي تسمع
تسمعان
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 هن يسمعن
يسمعان
يسمعن أوكي أنت تسمع
تسمع
تسمعان
تسمعان
يسمعون
يسمعون
أنت تسمعين
تسمعين
أوكي تسمعان
تسمعان
تسمعن
تسمعان
أسمع
أسمع
نسمع
نسمع.
Okay. So I'm gonna send this to people so that they can practice. Just print them out or just write them on their own for different verbs. If you do this like a few times, then you'll just say it automatically. Inshallah. But let's practice it with another verb. What's in the same column as sami'a?
Fahima, la'iba, hafiza.
Okay, hafiza. Alright, ready? Let's do hafiza. So, hafiza is he memorized. What's he memorizes? Actually, let's do fahima. Let's do that one. Fahima is he understood. He understands is
يفهم
yafhamu. Right? Yafhamu. Yafhamu. So what changes to a fatha? The ha. Right? Fahima has a kasra. Yafhamu has a Fahima has a kasra and yafhamu has a fatha. Alright, ready? First, let's do 5 in your pocket, the easy ones. Ready? Yafhamu,
يفهم
nafhamu,
تفهم
dafhamu,
تفهم
afhamu,
أفهم
and nafhamu.
نفهم
Okay? Alright, let's go back. Yafhamu,
يفهم
yafhamani,
يفهمان
yafhamuna,
يفهمون
hiya,
يفهمون
tafhamu. We should say tafhamu. Tafhamu.
تفهم
Tafhamu. She understands, okay? Tafhamu,
تفهم
tafhamani,
تفهمان
and then hunna is yafhamna.
يفهمن
Yafhamna. So just all you have to do is change this to yafhamna. Okay, anta tafhamu,
تفهم
tafhamani,
تفهمان
tafhamuna,
تفهمون
anti tafhamina.
تفهمين
Tafhamina, okay? Tafhamani,
تفهمان
tafhamna,
تفهمن
afhamu,
أفهم
nafhamu.
تفهم
Okay. La'iba. Okay, what's the present? He plays.
يأكل
Yal'abu.
يلعب
Okay, ready? 5 in your pocket. Yal'abu.
يلعب
Tal'abu. Tal'abu. Tal'abu.
قلب
Tal'abu.
قلب
Okay. Alright. Yal'abu.
يلعب
Yal'abani.
يلعبان
يلعبون.
يلعبون
تلعب.
تلعب
تلعبان.
تلعبان
يلعبن.
يلعبن
Okay, أنت تلعب.
تلعب
تلعبان.
تلعبان
تلعبون.
تلعبون
أنت تلعبين.
تلعبين
تلعبين. Okay, تلعبان.
تلعبان
تلعبن.
تلعبن
أنا
sorry, al-abu.
ألعب. نحن.
نلعب
It's very hard, but inshallah, this is Monday night. You know, this is we need to get this right from the start. So, but keep practicing this. During your day, just pick a verb, pick a
Present.
start conjugated. Yeah. All right. So let's go to the homework, inshallah. Do you want to take a break? Let's take a break.
Coffee break.
Coffee break, but without.
No. Sister Tyra, Brother Anwar.
No, we didn't have one day. He came
didn't have
to class
Friday.
because we couldn't come. Yeah.
All right, so we're in lesson 6. We read the dialogue. Forgot it's fine. But we're going over the homework, okay? And we're probably not going to go through all of it. Just go through it as much as we can, a little bit at a time. All right. So exercise number 4. If you have this book, it's on page 39. It says أنث الفاعل في كل من الجملة الآتية
Just level both.
الضمير بالشكل. What? No, the Arabic.
Oh, the-
Lesson 6, exercise 4. Okay. So أنث الفاعل, it means change the subject to feminine. Okay. In each of the following sentences and put the put the pronoun. Okay. So the first one is the example. أشربت الشاي يا حامل. What does that mean? أشربت الشاي
Did you drink?
يا حامل.
Did you drink?
Chai.
The
Chai.
chai or حامل.
You're talking about
Yeah. Go to the next page.
so still weak with recognizing the numbers.
Oh, okay. No, we're on this one. All right. Is everyone see it? So did you drink the chai, O Hamid? Now you have to change it. Now you have to make it feminine. Asharibti ashaya ya Su'ad. Okay, did you drink the chai, O Su'ad? So what do you have to change? The verb, right? Because sharibta is if you're talking to a man. If you're talking to a
Sharibti.
female, it's
Sharibti.
Sharibti.
Is this past or present?
Sharibti.
Sharibta,
Past.
sharibti is past.
Past tense.
All right, Brother Sarfraz, number 2, go ahead.
كتب
كتبت
كتبت الدرس
الدرس.
يا علي.
Okay, what does that mean?
Is this كتبت
What's كتبت?
book?
Right.
You wrote.
You wrote.
Did you write?
Did you write الدرس this the lesson يا علي.
Okay, what if you're talking to, let's say, Fatima?
كتبت الدرس
الدرس
يا فاطمة.
Yeah, Fatima.
Wouldn't that be others too?
Okay, why is it الدرس? كتبت
Because subject.
الدرس.
Oh, the object.
Did you write? Did you write what? The lesson, right? So the dars is the object.
Object.
So objects are always
Uh,
mansoob. They have a fatha. Brother Anwar, number 3.
Okay, number 3. Agaslat.
أغسلت
Agasalta wa wajahaka
mhm,
ya uki.
أخي.
Aki.
What does that mean? What's غسلت?
Wash.
Wash your.
Wash.
Yeah.
What's wajhak? Wajhaka.
I don't know that many.
Okay, what's wajh? It's from book 1. It's a part of the body.
Oh.
Wajhun.
feet.
Okay, yeah.
Who wants to guess? Brother Safraz, you know what's wajh?
Face.
Face.
Yes, okay.
MashaAllah.
Wajhun is face.
Did you wash your face?
What's ya akhi?
Yeah, sister.
Mm-mm.
No, brother.
Brother, oh my
Yes.
brother.
Oh my brother.
Akhi is oh my brother, right?
Oh my
Akhi.
brother.
What if you were saying it to oh my sister?
It's Agasti.
Aghasalti.
Agasalti. Wa wajahaki.
Wajhaki.
Ya ukti.
Ya ukhti. MashaAllah. So why is it wajhaki?
Yeah, because it's
Because the-
feminine.
It's feminine,
Yeah.
right? Wajhaki instead of wajhaka.
Wash.
MashaAllah. Brother Anwar, next one. Sorry, Brother Nazmul.
Ayya surata
Mhm.
hafizata ya bani
Bunay.
or bunay.
أي سورة حفظت يا بني? What does that mean?
Did you
أي means
Which?
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 Surah.
which surah did you memorize? Ya bunay.
Oh my.
Oh,
Ya bunayya means oh my son.
oh my son.
So
okay.
now what if you're talking to oh my daughter?
Okay. Ayya
Mhm.
surata
Mhm.
hafizati
Hafizti.
hafizti. Okay. Hafizti.
How do you say oh my daughter?
Ya binti.
Ya binti. Sister Shireen, next one.
Apa pinta
Mhm.
pintan. That's
Mhm.
الجديدة يا هاشم.
Okay, what does that mean?
Did you understand this new lesson?
The new lesson.
The new lesson of
Oh, Hashim. Okay, what if you're talking to Zainab?
فهمتي
Fahimti.
الدرس
Mhm.
الجديدة
Al-Jadida.
الجديدة يا فاطمة.
Zainab, Fatima, doesn't matter. Okay, Fahimti ad-darsa al-jadida. Okay, what's ad-darsa al-jadida? What's al-jadid? New.
New
What is
lesson.
it grammatically?
Adjective.
It's adjective, right? So it shares the fatha, it shares the al, it shares the masculine, and it shares the singular. Okay? It shares. Remember those four things that the adjective shared. All right, brother. Sarfraz, next one. 6.
أين ذهبت يا أين ذهبت بعد الدرس يا أخي
What does that mean?
أين the where you have gone
Mm-hmm.
after the class,
The lesson.
after the lesson. Yes, sir.
Oh, what's akhi? Brother.
Yeah,
brother.
Oh my
Brother.
Oh, my
now,
brother.
now talk to my sister.
Huh?
Say the whole thing.
أين ذهبت
Mm-hmm.
بعد بعد الدرس
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
يا أخي يا أختي.
Ukht. Excellent. Oh, my sister. Yeah. Ukht. Brother. Okay, that was it. All right. So number 5 is just saying put the dhamma, fatha, kasra, sukun on the appropriate one, right? So if I'm saying ana dhahabtu, I have to put a dhamma because I'm saying I went. Ana dhahabtu ila al-matar, which means what, Sister Tahira?
I did went to airport.
I went to the airport. Okay. Number 2, Sister Shireen.
ذهبت
Okay, so it says ذهب إلى الملعب يا Yusuf. So who is this question asking? Yusuf. So Yusuf is a man, and you're addressing him.
ذهبت إلى
الملعب
يا
Yusuf. Okay, what does that mean?
Did you went to
What's mal'ab?
Malal. Wala malal.
What's mal'ab? From? It's from book 1. Okay. This is how. This is. Let's do a little exercise in roots, identifying roots. Mal'abun. All right. How many letters is this? 4. Okay. We have to find 3-letter roots. So, what's the 3-letter root?
This
Mama and Lam and Ba.
There you go. La, a, ba. What's la'iba? He played. Right? La'iba is he played. So mal'abun is the place of playing. Playground.
Playground.
Just like this is on the same or this is another type of pattern. Masjidun. Right? Masjidun. Sajada. He prostrated. Masjidun, a place of prostration. The only difference is the jim has a kasra, this has a fatha, but they're both maf'alun and maf'ilun are both the patterns of the place where something happens. Brother Nakmul, number 3.
أختي ذهبت إلى المستشفى.
Okay, so ukhti is what?
Sister.
It's my sister. So you're talking about a woman, her. So are you going to say dhahabti? Are you talking to her?
No.
You're talking about her.
Yeah.
So you have to use third person.
ذهبت, right?
Dhahabat.
Or ذهبت.
Ukhti dhahabat. You're talking about her. Ukhti dhahabat. What does that mean? Ukhti dhahabat.
My sister left
Went.
went to the hospital.
The hospital. Good. Brother Anwar, last one.
Zahabti
Mhm.
إلى المكتب
مكتبتي
يا فاطمة.
excellent أذهبتي
ذهبتي.
because you're talking to
Feminine.
Fatima. What does that mean أذهبتي إلى المكتبة
Did you went to
library.
library or
library,
bookstore?
Fatima?
Oh, Fatima.
Oh, Fatima.
Okay. All right. So it's 8:45. So what? Or almost 8:45. Number. What was the X? So we did 7 and